welcome back to my session. This is Anamika here, and today I am super duper excited because I am here with some new launches, and especially I'm going to talk regarding the lipstick that I'm wearing and I'm absolutely in love. And as you guys already know from the title itself, I'm going to talk about the Blue Heaven new launches, and they have come up with their 16 shade of lipsticks, and I have got 2 of them on my hands right now, so I'm going to do the review, and I have few more products which I'm going to talk through and demo it for you guys. So today's video is very exciting as I'm going to talk you through first with their lipsticks, and I am absolutely in love with their formula, their shade and everything, and I'm going to cover it all. So without wasting much time, let's get into this video. So these are the Blue Heaven Hyper Stay Super Matte lipsticks, and I have got 2 shades in here. So the first shade is Velvet Maroon, 706 is the number, and the next one which I have is the Retro Style, which is 703. And these colors look so gorgeous. So these are the newly launched product, and I have only 2 of them. So if you want to check all their 16 shades, I'm going to link everything down below. You can check it there. But I'm definitely going to swatch these 2 shades for you guys, and you can see how beautiful they look already. So first let's talk about the packaging. This is how it looks. So it has a cardboard box in here, and the lipstick is just coming in this box. They have actually thought so much about the packaging that it is very safe when you are dispatching your product. If you're getting it online, this is going to be so safe and so sturdy. Like, this is not going to break, like in any chance it's not going to break. And the color is so pretty and colorful. I absolutely like it. So this has a very metallic kind of a box. It is a cardboard box, but it's super steady, and every details is in here. You can just get all your details in the sides. And the best thing about these products, they are the cruelty-free brand. So even the shade name is mentioned in here. And when you go inside, this is how it looks. It is super sleek, and even this has a plastic, very steady kind of a packaging. And you have to open this like this, and you can see this is all beautiful and golden inside, and this is how the shade looks. So it has quite a good amount of product in here. So this contains 2.2 grams of product, and the packaging is so beautiful and sleek. You can definitely travel with this. Even if you're not carrying your handbag, you can surely keep this in your jeans pocket, and this is not going anywhere. It's going to stay in your pocket, and it's not even going to take a lot of space. And even you have the shade name in here, and as you have seen me open this earlier, this has very steady packaging, and even it locks like this, and it has this thing, a little tick sound, which means the product is locked. So it is quite steady and it's not going to come out. And now let's talk about the pigmentation of this product. It is super duper pigmented, and it is having a very beautiful color payoff. And you can see this is just one swipe and you have a very nice pigmented lipstick in here. So as you have seen, this has glide on super easily, but it is not very creamy. You have to make sure that your lips are well hydrated before you apply this lipstick. As the name suggests, it's the Hyper Stay Super Matte lipstick. As we are talking about the formulation, it is super thick, and it's not going to come out, it's not going to budge. It is kiss proof. And if you're not that kind of a person who likes to go with a liquid lipstick which is very harsh and very drying, super matte, then you are getting this in this bullet lipstick. But it is not going to dry your lips out. It is very comfortable, and it's not even like stretchy or anything. Like, I'm talking to you guys and I can feel it is very lightweight and comfortable. Transfer proof and kiss proof as well. You can see nothing has come out, and I have a little water in here, and I'm just going to apply a little bit of few drops, and you can see this is actually waterproof and it is not even transferring. Nothing, absolutely nothing came out. So it is super matte finish, and people who are having very dry and chapped lips, make sure that you're exfoliating your lips and applying a good layer of lip balm or any kind of lip moisturizer, keeping it for a while, and then you can apply the lipstick, and you have to wait for a few seconds. Then it will dry on your lips and it will give you the maximum stay. As I have seen, I have applied this for 12 to 14 hours. Like when you're eating, it just comes out from the middle a bit if you're having a very oily food, but other than that your lipstick stays on for a very long period of time. And yeah, that's it. Now I'm going to straight jump into the lipstick swatches of the two shades I have. The first shade I'm trying out is the Velvet Maroon 706 from the Blue Heaven Hyper Stay Super Matte Lipstick. And the next shade is Retro Style 703, again from Blue Heaven Hyperstay Super Matte Lipsticks. So guys, that was the lip swatches. Now you can watch the whole makeup look, the whole base which I have created, and it is very super easy to achieve, and it is perfect for college going girls, for office going girls, and even whoever is not into too much of makeup but would like to look really nice and presentable. As you can see, this is not a very heavy kind of makeup look, but it is super easy and achievable. So I want you guys to continue watching the makeup look. So guys, as you can see, I'm done with my skin prep, prime, and even the foundation and concealer routine. Now I'm going to move on to the Blue Heaven product, the Blue Heaven Strobe and Sharp Contouring Plus Highlighting Stick. So this is a duo stick, and it contains the goodness of avocado oil and even mango butter, and I absolutely love the packaging. As I said, they have amazing packaging. And now I'm going to use the contour side first. So I'll be contouring my face with this as usual on the parameters of my face. How beautifully this has glided into my skin. And now I'm going to blend this out with a beauty blender. And you can see how beautifully this has sculpted my face. I am absolutely in love. This is not a very harsh kind of a contour, and even it has a very nice sun-kissed look to my face. And now I'm going to move on to the other side of the stick, and this is a strobing highlighter stick. So I'm going to go with this on the highest points of my face, and again I'm going to blend this out. See how beautifully this has added a beautiful sheen of glow on my face. And next I have the Blue Heaven Kiss and Blush, and I'll be applying this on my lids and even on the apples of my cheeks. So this is how the inner packaging looks, and I have the shade Metallic Copper. So I'm going to use this with my finger, and I'm just going to warm it up between two of my finger and apply this on my eyes. And again, this is having the goodness of avocado oil, mango butter, and apricot oil, and blend it with a brush like a wash off color. And this is a multi-purpose stick for a soft flush on your lips, cheeks and eyes. Product from Blue Heaven, I have the Lush and Juicy Lip Plumping Wand, and I have the shade in Unicorn, and it has a very beautiful packaging as well, as you can see right here. And I absolutely love, as this is a transparent with a little bit of sheen, and here you can see me applying this. So this practically has no color, but it has that tingling effect and I absolutely like it. It has a very beautiful smell, and I did not apply this over any lipstick or anything because I want to show you as it is how it looks. So I'm going to remove this for the lipstick and finish off my whole look and get back to you guys. So guys, that is it for the lip swatches and for the makeup look. Now if you want to know what's the price of these lipstick, it is for 300 rupees only, and it is very reasonable and not going to damage your pocket. So these are very affordable and you can get your hands on these. You can check out the link in the description box to reach out to the lipstick. So it's not a sponsored video and I'm not going to earn anything out of it. You can just go and check out the links and buy your products directly, and I recommend all the products I have used in this video. It is very inexpensive and even it has a very good quality and the packaging as well. Like Blue Heaven is actually growing in the market. Like I know 99% of girls, they have used Blue Heaven and they still using, and now even I'm one of them. So you can even try it out and they have amazing quality. Their products are all cruelty free and I recommend this. I absolutely love how their products are, how they look and the formula. Everything you need in a good product and you want to invest your money in, that is definitely Blue Heaven. So if you enjoyed this video, then do give me a thumbs up and even subscribe to my channel. We'll see you in my next one super soon. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.